A legal battle over Lisa Marie Presley's estate has been brewing ever since her death, and it's heating up even more. In this video, we'll explore rumors that have been laid to rest. Riley locking Priscilla out of Graceland, Micheal Lockwood filing for the twins' guardianship, and joining the battle over the estate that is further drawing a line in the family sand, and everything else from their Oscars no-show to Priscilla's non-stop press tour. The most recent rumors, an understandable one, is that Priscilla had been locked out of Graceland by Riley, but those rumors were put to rest shortly by employees of Graceland saying that was never the case. No locks have been changed. Although not locked out of the house, both Riley and Priscilla continued to not be speaking. We watched for them at the Oscars, and it appears only Riley attended, and the Vanity Fair after party, and neither Presleys or any Presleys walked the red carpet, nor sat with the Elvis movie team throughout the ceremony. Unfortunately, Austin did not win for Best Actor, in which he was nominated, and many were upset about that, considering the amount of time he spent preparing and the enormous praise and feedback from all of the Presleys as to his extraordinary likeness of Elvis. Priscilla's absence was surprising, considering her attending all previous Elvis movie events, but considering Riley had reported that she would not walk down the red carpet with Priscilla, I'm sure that had something to do with her staying back. Now comes Micheal Lockwood, who has suddenly joined in the upcoming estate battle. Lisa Marie's ex-husband and father of her twins, Harper and Finley, filed legal documents in the Los Angeles County Superior Court to represent them in the upcoming court battle between Priscilla and Riley. But that's just the beginning of the drama. Lockwood argues that his 14-year-old twins require his representation in the hearing because they are minors who are beneficiaries of Elvis's estate, and they need him to be in charge of it. With Elvis Presley's estate now at stake, it begs the question, will the court grant Lockwood the authority to speak for his daughters in matters of their inheritance prior to ruling for or against Priscilla? According to Richard Roth, an entertainment attorney, Lockwood's legal move is just like Britney Spears' father. Remember when he became guardian over her? According to Roth, both the estate of Elvis and the estate of Lisa Marie would, at least with a majority proportion, be in Michael's hands. And by him filing this petition, he essentially wants to control the money and the estate. He would, in essence, have more control than Riley. So it's clear that Mr. Lockwood, being the father, is entitled to represent his 14-year-old daughters. That's his right as a parent. He's the only parent that's alive, so he certainly has plenty of rights. But this is different. This hearing is over who is going to run the business and decide where the money is going to go and into whose bank account, and then who controls the bank account. This is just the newest edition of legal issues surrounding the Presley family's ongoing trust battle regarding Elvis's estate and a 15% stake in Elvis Presley Enterprises. Following Lisa Marie's death in January, Priscilla Presley filed a petition to question the authenticity and validity
Presley
of a
is now
2016
disputing the validity of her daughter's will. She was removed as a co-trustee back in 2016 and replaced by Lisa Marie's children. But Priscilla's lawyers now say there are several issues with the document. They say Priscilla's name was misspelled. Lisa Marie's signature doesn't look right. As you know, Lisa Marie is Elvis Presley's only child. She was laid to rest at his Graceland estate.
Tension has since been high between Priscilla and Riley, with reports stating the two aren't communicating at all. Riley has been mourning the loss of her mother and is heartbroken to have to deal with a trust dispute with her grandmother. Priscilla is adamant that she has a valid case and that she will prevail in court. Riley and Priscilla seem stoic in public, but leaks are coming from both sides, albeit both saying they don't want it to be a public matter. And Riley, for one, says she knows her mother would never want this. Most likely, sources saying she is stressed out is probably an understatement, considering she has been trying to keep a positive attitude ahead of her new series, Daisy Jones and the Six, being released. Her daughter and husband have been keeping her in good spirits. Priscilla, on the other hand, doesn't appear to have stopped for a minute. Despite grieving her daughter Lisa Marie's sudden death in January, releasing Agent Elvis's on Netflix, and suing her granddaughter for control, Priscilla is about to embark on a UK tour starting Glasgow City Halls next month. The series is an intimate talk show about her extraordinary life, with tickets from $65 to $200 for a VIP package and the chance to meet Priscilla herself, with a tagline stating, Elvis's widow is promising to share personal stories and never-seen-before footage from her career, life, and marriage. But what prospective theatergoers really want to know, of course, is whether the 77-year-old actress will spill the beans on the latest Presley drama, the bitter family feud that has erupted in the wake of 54-year-old Lisa Marie's death.